Welcome to TechnoGo. Today I am gonna introduce 6 ways to commute in your city. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Backfire is a company that really cares about products, not only features, but also design and details. Every details of the product is carefully designed and manufactured to make it a unique and special. You can easily tell the difference between a Backfire skateboard and one from other companies. Like its predecessor G2S, G2T also features a similar unique design. Galaxy G2T is equipped with 2 specially customized in-hub motors. To have a lower center of gravity, it is designed to be thinner but longer. The motor and the tires are independently replaceable. This gives you more choice of tires, and also radically reduced maintenance cost. The motor is compatible with both 83mm wheels and 96mm wheels, if you need more torque and faster acceleration, or if you do drifting or sliding a lot. Choose the smaller 83mm tires. If you want comfortable riding on rocky roads, use the 96mm wheels. The DC Tri is a universal stand-up e-trike that's built for your needs and meets our high standards. This amazing lightweight e-trike doesn't require pedaling, is highly maneuverable and has an incredible zero turning radius. It's fun to ride and, with 3 wheels, it's an easier and safer ride than a 2-wheel bike. The unique design provides riders with a low center of gravity, which makes riding safer, stable and almost untippable. The chrome moly frame has passed all industry stress tests and weight ratings. Unlike a bicycle, there is no requirement for riders to have great balance. This makes the trike appealing to a wide range of people, many who may not have ridden a bike for some time. Its stand-up design can reduce pain associated with long-distance bike riding, including wrist strain, back pain and seat pain, making the experience much more enjoyable. Now, riders can travel long distances far more safely and with much more control than a traditional push trike and scooter. We care about the environment, which is why they engineered the e-trike to be totally battery-powered using green energy. You can zoom around town using the electric motor or ride it like a regular scooter using self-propelled power. The battery can be recharged via any standard power outlet in about 4 hours, and you can travel up to 30 miles or 50 kilometers on a single charge depending on use. The on-wheel operates outside of the boundaries of physics and logic. It's unlike any board you have ever ridden. The thick deck is balanced on a fat, heavy tire that's 10 inches wide and 10 inches across. When you step onto the board, the on-wheel's 3 gyroscopes and 3 accelerometers kick into action. The motor starts and all of a sudden you and the board are held level. Rather than using a handheld controller, it reads minute shifts in your body positioning. It's highly water resistant, and you can ride it through rain and puddles. You can attach a fender, so it doesn't kick up mud or grit on you. It also has LED lights under the deck, so it's safer to ride at night. The battery life is also excellent. After 4 days of riding for over an hour, The battery only drains to 60%, and it goes back up to 100% after an hour on the charger. Bone wheels appeal as a way to navigate your way around a city or to handle a short commute to work is pretty clear. But the board can go a lot of places and terrains other electric radiables can't, thanks to that wide wheel. It may look like something that requires a lot of time to learn, but it's easy to pick up. The Moto kicks are easy to learn, equipped with the same active balance technology featured in our hoverboards. Pressure sensors in the pads provide a smooth and responsive ride. Take the Moto kicks with you anywhere. They're lightweight enough to carry in one hand using the built-in carrying straps. Each of them has a small wheel powered by a motor and using gyroscopes and some intelligence can balance itself and knows to drive in forward or reverse. The X7 is built with an extremely powerful 350-watt motor. Accelerates up to 19.9 miles per hour under specific conditions, and easily climbs slopes of up to 15 degrees. Features 3 speed settings that meet your preferences. Cruise control gives your thumb a break for a nice long ride. The large 8.5 inches tubeless pneumatic front and rear tires absorb shocks from bumpy city sidewalks, providing maximum riding comfort. No more annoying flat tires and less maintenance required. The bright LED panel allows you to clearly view your current speed and battery level.